Missouri drivers pay an average of $1,200 a year for car insurance. But what if you could cut that by hundreds, even thousands, without sacrificing coverage or service? In the next 5 minutes, I'll reveal the top-rated insurers in Missouri, the must-know factors to compare, and exactly how to choose the perfect policy for your needs. Stick around. You'll thank yourself at renewal time. But what if you could cut that by hundreds, even thousands, without sacrificing coverage or service? In the next 5 minutes, I'll reveal the top-rated insurers in Missouri, the must-know factors to compare, and exactly how to choose the perfect policy for your needs. Stick around. You'll thank yourself at renewal time. Hey everyone, I'm Natranan from InsureSavvy, and if you've ever felt stuck paying sky-high premiums, you're not alone. Between confusing jargon, surprise rate hikes, and headaches with claims, finding the best car insurance in Missouri can feel impossible. But today, we're cutting through the clutter. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which companies to call and which questions to ask, so you can drive confidently and keep more money in your pocket. Between confusing jargon, surprise rate hikes, and headaches with claims, finding the best car insurance in Missouri can feel impossible. But today, we're cutting through the clutter. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which companies to call and which questions to ask, so you can drive confidently and keep more money in your pocket. Before we dive in, let me share how we got this crucial information for you. We scoured trusted resources like NerdWallet, The Zebra, JD Power, AM Best, Trustpilot, and Consumer Affairs to bring you the most reliable, up-to-date insights on Missouri car insurance. We did the homework so you can make the smartest choice with total confidence. Let's dive into the top contenders, the insurers that Missouri drivers rave about. 1. USAA, why it's great. Exceptional customer service and competitive full coverage rates. Who it's for. Active military, veterans, and their families only. 1. State Farm. Why it's great. Broad local agent network, consistently affordable rates, and high satisfaction scores. Who it's for. Anyone outside USAA's eligibility. 1. American Family. Why it's great. Strong customer satisfaction and great young driver discounts. Who it's for. Families and new drivers looking to save. 1. Geico. Why it's great. Lowest average premiums in Missouri plus tons of discount options, from military to multi-vehicle. Who it's for. Drivers who love managing policies online. 1. Progressive. Why it's great. Innovative snapshot program rewards safe drivers with up to 30% off. Who it's for. Those with clean records who want usage-based savings. 1. Shelter insurance. Why it's great. Affordable full coverage plans and some of the best teen driver liability rates. Who it's for. Parents looking to protect young drivers on a budget. Those 6 are consistently top-ranked for service rates and overall value in Missouri. But don't stop at the name. Next, you need to weigh the key factors that actually affect your premium. When comparing quotes, focus on these 5 essentials. Average rates. Full coverage versus minimum liability. Know what you need. Tip. Sites like NerdWallet and The Zebra publish Missouri-specific averages. Customer service. Read JD Power and AM Best ratings for claim satisfaction. Remember, fast, fair claim handling can save you time, stress, and money. Discounts. Safe driver, multi-policy, good student, military, low mileage, even anti-theft device discounts. Pro tip. Ask your agent, what discounts do I qualify for? You might be surprised. Coverage options. Liability, collision, comprehensive, and extras like uninsured, underinsured motorist. Make sure each policy offers the specific limits you need for your vehicle and lifestyle. Convenience and tools. Local agents versus full digital management. Some providers have apps to file claims, track savings, or even monitor your driving habits. By ranking each insurer on these factors, based on your personal priorities, you'll zero in on the best fit. Ready to take action? Follow this 3-step plan. Gather quotes. Use comparison tools like InsureSavvy, The Zebra, or NerdWallet. Enter your info once and compare multiple insurers side by side. Personalize your search. Factor in your driving record. A clean record? Emphasize snapshot or telematics programs. High mileage commuter? Look for low-rate providers on full coverage. Read reviews and reach out. Check real customer feedback on Trustpilot or Consumer Affairs. Call your top 2 choices. Ask about hidden fees, accident forgiveness, bundling options, and cancellation policies. Take notes, compare apples to apples, and don't be afraid to negotiate your rate. Most top insurers will do their best to keep you as a customer if you come armed with data. All right, let's recap what you need to do today. Familiarize yourself with USAA, State Farm, American Family, Geico, Progressive, and Shelter. Evaluate average rates, service, discounts, coverage options, and convenience. Use comparison sites, personalize your findings, and call agents to lock in the best deal. Do this now, and you could see immediate savings on your next renewal without cutting corners on protection. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Got questions or stuck on a quote? Drop a comment below or email us at InsureSavvyHub@gmail.com and we'll help you out. Thanks for watching, Missouri. Drive safe and save big.